Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, do not forget to subscribe down below. Also you guys, this makeup tutorial is extremely short because I will only be showing you guys the eye makeup portion only. The reason why is because just recent in one of my makeup tutorials, it is called Easy Aqua Makeup Tutorial. If you check that one out, you can see how I created the whole makeup look. I am using the same exact eyeshadow. Only difference is that this one is a little bit more of a olive green with gold, and the previous one is like a bluish green. So if you have not seen that video, I would suggest for you to go ahead and watch that video first, and then you can decide if you want to do either that one or if you want to do more of an olive green color. It's gonna be extremely easy, I promise you guys. I will not let you down. It's gonna be very easy. Do not go anywhere. And if you're ready to make this awesome makeup look, then go ahead and keep watching.
Alright my loves, let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna be using Maybelline's The City Mini palette. And we're going to be using this light nude shade, and we're going to be using it all over our eyelids, kind of like a base color. And now with the blending brush, we're going to go over with this dark brown shade, and we're going to be using it for our crease. Make sure that you take your time blending this out. This color is pigmented, so just take your time. In my video, I'm speeding up the process just to make the video shorter and simple for you guys. But yeah, just take your time blending it out. And now I'm going back with the light nude shade, and I'm applying it under my eyebrow just to give it a nice clean look. Alright my loves, now we're ready to use Revlon's Photoready Eye Art, and this one is in the color 080 Desert Dazzle. So we're going to be applying it over our eyelid. Make sure you take your time applying this. Also make sure that it's completely dried out before you start applying it on your next eye. This eyeshadow is like a cream, so that's why I advise for you guys to just make sure it's completely dried out. Alright my loves, now we're ready to use the glitter side. Now as I said, make sure that your eyeshadow is completely dried before you start applying the glitter, and also take your time. And then just how you did with the eyeshadow, make sure that the glitter on one eye is completely dried out before you start applying on the next eye. Okay, so right here I'm showing you my eyeliner and also my eyelashes. I applied both of them off camera, and this is the end result with the eyelashes and the eyeliner. Alright my love, so now I'm going in with the NYX Color Pencil. It's in the color black. I'm using this for my waterline. I like how it gave it more of a date night look. If you want to wear this during the day, you can skip this step, or you can also add it if you don't mind it. Alright my loves, this is a close-up of the finished look. What do you guys think?
I hope you enjoyed watching my video. I want you guys to know each and every time that I film my videos that I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Seriously, if you are new and you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I will not let you down. And thank you so much for taking the time out of your life to watch my video. And if you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment down below. And as always, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye.